As a man in his 40s, let me clear something up right away. Older men don't struggle attracting younger women because of their age. They struggle because they lose their frame. Here's where most guys screw this up. They either try to act like they're 25 or they go the opposite direction and become all stiff and serious and boring. Both kill attraction because younger women aren't looking for a boy trapped in a man's body, and they're definitely not looking for a man who's lost his edge. What they're drawn to is something very specific, something that I call the James Bond effect. And when I hit 40 and really started to understand this, attraction stopped feeling forced and started happening naturally with women over half my age. See, James Bond never tries to impress. He doesn't chase, he doesn't over-explain, he doesn't rush to win anyone over. He's sophisticated, he's grounded and unaffected, and most importantly, he acts his age. And that's exactly why it works. And you can do this too. And it comes down to 3 core behaviors. The first one I call gentleman game. If you're an older guy trying to attract women, then this is crucial. Your style should be sophisticated, not juvenile. You don't need ripped jeans and, flashy logos or trying to look young. You need clothes that fit well, have a touch of style and a bit of class. Same thing with behavior. You're not trying to entertain her like a 20-year-old. You're grounded, you're present, you're composed. Sure, when you're in your 20s, you have a lot of energy and, a lot of things in life are brand new, so you're super excited about everything. But when you reach your 40s and beyond, now you are experienced. You can still be fun and enthusiastic, you should be, but it's on the more calm and relaxed manner. That maturity signals safety, leadership, and wisdom. And younger women feel that immediately, which brings me to principle number 2, what I call deliberate tension. Here's how to turn her on without saying a word. Most young guys kill attraction by trying to fill the space. They, explain themselves. They rush to say something clever all the time. They just fill the silence. High status men, mature men, do the opposite. They let the silence sit just a little bit longer than normal. They look at her calmly with sly, suggestive smile, not desperate, not intense, just grounded. So lower your tone and say less, because that space creates tension, and tension is what attraction feeds on. After all, attraction doesn't spark primarily from what you say. It sparks from what you don't say. And number 3, I call the bond frame. Because if you want to attract younger women, then you must adopt the bond frame. This is huge because you're an older man. You've lived, you've seen some shit. Nothing should rattle you anymore at this point. For example, you approach a girl and then her boyfriend shows up. So what? You give the guy a compliment that his girlfriend's attractive. Or maybe she says you aren't her type. So you know that you're plenty of girls' types. It doesn't matter. Or you're on a date and she says that she has to leave early. Who cares? You got many other options. Or maybe she throws a little attitude at you. You give some playful banter back. Now, if she keeps pushing and, is being disrespectful or something, then you calmly stand up and leave. No anger, no reaction, because you're a fucking rock and she's like the ocean. She can't move you with her waves. You don't need to rush to win her over. You don't need her validation. And paradoxically, that calm, grounded presence is exactly what makes younger women obsessed with you. Now, one way younger women try to affect or test or rattle an older guy is by not texting him back. So I show you exactly what to do, what to text her in that situation. I show you even what to text to spark attraction and get a date in my texting cheat sheet. If you don't have it, grab it. There's a link in the description, or you can use the QR code right here to download it now for free. Now, here's the part that most men miss. All of this only works if you're relaxed, you're not outcome dependent, and you're genuinely okay if nothing happens. The moment that you need it to work, it stops working. That's why older men who are grounded, playful, and selective feel so attractive to younger women. They're not chasing moments, they're allowing them. When you stop trying to be impressive, when you stop chasing validation, and when you let go of needing anything to happen, you become the man women want something to happen with. That's the James Bond effect. And when you embody it, age stops being a disadvantage and actually becomes an advantage. Now, for any of this to actually work, you need to meet women. So I created a video on what to do and what to say when approaching women in various public situations, like daytime situations. The video is right here, so go there now. My name is Matt Artisan from The Attractive Man, and I'll see you in this video.